Amber Brown is a new 10th grade student at Apple Grove High School. Previously, she attended James Madison High School in another state. You just received her transcript, and your task is to enter this academic information into PowerSchool. Let's get started. On the Start page, enter Amber's name in the search field, and click the search icon. Next, click Historical Grades in the Academics area on Amber's Student Pages menu, and then click Multiple New Entries. The Academic Record Entry page has two main sections. The top section is where you enter general information, like the school name and the grade level. The bottom section is where you enter the individual grades for courses Amber took at her previous school. In the top section, start by entering the name of the school where Amber took her classes. In this case, James Madison High School. Next, enter the school year in the proper format. Since you're entering Amber's grades from last year, enter the year that the first term started. Enter the grade level Amber was in when she took the courses you are about to enter. The store codes serve as column headings and indicate whether the grades you are adding in each column are for the quarter, the semester, or the trimester. It's important to enter the store codes accurately so that the student gets proper credit for each term, and these grades will be printed correctly on your school's transcript. When entering courses, you must either enter the equivalent course number from your school's course catalog and leave the course name field blank, or enter the course name exactly as it appears on the student's transcript and leave the course number field blank. Your district's policy is to use course names, so enter the course names as they appear on Amber's transcript. Apple Grove High School uses credit types to match courses with graduation requirements. Enter ENG as the credit type. Your school may use different codes as credit types, or may use a method other than credit types, such as course numbers or course groups, to match courses to graduation requirements. Click Include or Exclude for each course to decide whether the grades should be included in the student's GPA, class rank, and honor roll calculations. Use the default selection Yes to show the grades on the student's transcript. Now enter Amber's grades for English Literature. She earned a C in first semester and a B in second semester. At Apple Grove High School, a C is worth 2 GPA points and a B is worth 3. Enter the GPA points accordingly. Some schools award additional GPA points based on the difficulty of a course. If your school uses added value as a part of the GPA calculation, you can enter these points in the Added Value fields. When a transcript includes the percent the student earned for each grade, you can enter the information in the percent fields. Likewise, you can record student behavior information in the citizenship fields when the information is included on the transcript. Enter the credit Amber earned for each grade in the Earned Credit fields. At Apple Grove High School, course credit is awarded incrementally at the semester. Since this was a full year course, half the credit is awarded first semester, and the other half is awarded second semester. Notice that in the case of Amber's English Literature grades, earned credit and potential credit are the same. Earned credit and potential credit will usually be the same, unless a student failed a class. In that case, the earned credit for each failing grade is 0, while the potential credit is the amount of credit the student would have earned had she passed. Remember that the grade, GPA points, percent, and credit fields must be aligned with the store code column headings at the top of the page. Enter up to 8 courses at a time per school year. When necessary, repeat this process multiple times in order to enter a student's entire transcript. After you have entered the information required on the page, click Submit. The transcript information you have just entered is now a part of Amber's record in PowerSchool. Remember, to enter historical grades from a transcript for a new student, search for and select the student on the Start page. Next, click Historical Grades. Then click Multiple New Entries. Enter the information for the school where the transfer student took the classes. Then follow your district policy when entering the courses and grades. Finally, click Submit. Now that you've entered Amber's historical grades in PowerSchool, her high school transcript will be complete, and she'll be happy that nothing got lost in the move.